This is a quick start for sgcMQ, the message broker clients. In a few minutes you will publish and subscribe from Delphi. Every broker client works the same way. You create a TCP client, which owns the socket, the host and the port, and then you attach a protocol component to it through the client property. The protocol speaks MQTT, AMQP, STOMP, Kafka or WAMP, and the connection underneath is plain TCP or TLS. Start with MQTT, point the TCP client at your broker, attach the MQTT component, choose version 5 or 3.11, and set active to true. That is the whole connection. Now subscribe and publish. Subscribe takes a topic filter and a quality of service. Publish takes a topic, the payload, the same quality of service, and a retain flag. Incoming messages arrive on the MQTT publish event with a topic and the text. Quality of service is the part people get wrong. At most once is fire and forget. At least once guarantees delivery but can duplicate. Exactly once is the full four-step handshake. Retain keeps the last message on the topic, so a client that subscribes later still gets the current value. The same pattern gives you the other brokers. AMQP 0.9.1 with exchanges, queues and channels, AMQP 1.0, STOMP including the RabbitMQ and ActiveMQ variants, Kafka over the native binary protocol with consumer groups and offsets, and WAMP for remote procedure calls. For production there is a watchdog that reconnects on its own, a heartbeat that keeps the link alive through idle timeouts, and TLS. Those all sit on the TCP client, so you set them once whatever protocol is riding on top. Authentication belongs to the protocol component itself. That is sgcMQ. The full reference is in the help file, and the demos connect to real brokers out of the box. Find everything at eSeGeCe.com.